If you want to find Buddha, don't look in temples. Look on Mount Tantai, where earth and heaven meet. That's what an old monk told me. And when I climbed to 4,300 feet, through 8 rivers, past countless waterfalls, I began to understand what he meant. Tantai isn't an ordinary mountain. This is the birthplace of the Tantai school, one of the most profound Buddhist sects in China. The founder didn't choose this place randomly, because here nature itself is the teaching. Every rock is a lesson. Every breeze is a verse. 493 acres of pristine forest, stretching like a painting in every shade of green the human eye can see. Summer temperature, only 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool, comfortable, like a mother's embrace. Winter drops below 30 degrees, freezing cold, reminding me that life always comes with challenges. But what makes Tai truly unique isn't the climate or scenery. It's the silence. The silence that cities never have. Not silence from lack of sound, but deep silence when the mind stops screaming, when thoughts settle like sand in clear water. You know that in those valleys are ancient temples that never leave records. Only those truly seeking will find them, and when they do, they never want to leave. Interestingly, Mount Tai features 8 major rivers and numerous waterfalls. These elements not only enhance the beauty of the scenery, but also provide a beautiful natural environment that is little known to the public.